I am Rani Lakshmibai, Queen of Jhansi. I am Indira Gandhi. I was the first woman Prime Minister of India. I am Bhagat Singh, Iqlaat Jindabad.
I am अशफाकुल्ला खान। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है।
Hello everyone, I am Begum Ahmed. I bravely fought for India's freedom. Jai Hind, bye bye.
I am Mahatma Gandhi. Non-violence is the greatest force at the disposal of mankind.
I am Anapanga Jai Hind. I am Raja Sultana. I fought for India. I am Vaganga Tiram.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं राजगुरु हूँ। मैं भी भगत सिंह के साथ देश के लिए लड़ा। हम डरते नहीं हैं देश की आज़ादी के लिए। देश की आज़ादी के लिए कुर्बानी देना सबसे बड़ी खुशी की बात है। हमेशा सच बोलो और सच का साथ दो। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना भी अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। भारत माता की जय। जय हिंद।
Today I am going to speak about freedom fighters. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter of India. He founded the Indian National Army to fight for India's freedom. His famous slogan was "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." We respect Subhash Chandra Bose for his bravery, patriotism and sacrifice. Jai Hind. I am Usha Mehta. Usha Mehta was a brave freedom fighter of India. She started the Congress Radio to help the freedom movement. We are proud of our Congress, our country. Jai Hind. Hey everyone, today I am Mother Teresa. I love and help poor and sick people. My message is be kind and help others. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Sir, teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. I am Ramesha Fatima of class 4th. Today I am here to perform the role of the great freedom fighter Begum Hazrat Mahal. I am Begum Hazrat Mahal, the Queen of Awadh. During the revolt of 1857, I bravely fought against the British rule to protect my kingdom and my country. I inspired people to stand together for freedom and justice. On this Independence Day, let us remember the sacrifices of all our freedom fighters and promise to serve our nation with honesty, unity and patriotism. Thank you. वतन की शान, देश की मान, हम सबका भारत महान. जय हिंद.
I am Maya Fatima of class 4. Today I am here to perform the role of the brave Queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai. I am Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. My childhood name was Manikarnika and people lovingly call me Manu. I was born on 19 November 1828 in Varanasi. I love horse riding, sword fighting and archery from a young age. When the British tried to take over my kingdom, I refused to surrender with courage and determination. I fought bravely in the revolt of 1857 to protect my people and my motherland. My message to all of you is to always be brave, love your country and right remember. True strength comes from courage, honesty and patriotism. Thank you. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. जय हिंद.
Respected Principal, Teacher and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Aman from class 8. Today I am here to speak about the importance of freedom. Freedom is the most precious gift we all have. It gives us right to live, express our thought, receive an education, follow our dream and make your own choice. We enjoy freedom today because of the courage and sacrifices of our great freedom fighter. They fight bravely and gave everything to free our country from British rule. We should always remember and respect their sacrifices. Freedom is not only about having right, it also comes with responsibilities. As a good citizen, we must obey the law, respect our national symbol. Let us promise to be a responsible citizen and make India a stronger, cleaner and more united nation. स्वतंत्र हमारा गौरव है, इसकी रक्षा करना हमारा कर्तव्य. जय हिंद.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Sir, teachers and my dear friend, a very good morning to all of you. I am Baridavali of class 5th. Today I am here to speak about the Prime Ministers of India.
After India became independent in 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. He worked for the development of education, science industry and a modern India. After him, many great leaders served: Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, V.P. Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, I.K. Gujral, Dr. Manmohan Singh, and today Shri Narendra Modi is serving as the Prime Minister of India. Every Prime Minister has contributed to the progress and growth of our nation in different ways. Their leadership has helped India become stronger and more respected across the world. As responsible citizens, we should love our country, respect our leaders, and work honestly for the bright future of India. Thank you. Jai Hind. I am Arisha Fatma of class 5th. Today I am here to speak about the President of India. Our the first President, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, took office 1950, laid strong foundation for a republic. With honesty and dedication, since then every president each has worked to uphold the constitution and serve the nation with dignity. Today our president is MT Draupadi Murmu. Continents. She is the first tribal woman become the President of India, inspiring millions through her simplicity, determination and commitment to the country. From our first president to the present president, each has India's democracy and inspired to the generation to the survey the nation. That's all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all of you. Today I am here to speak about the national symbol of India. The national symbol of India represents the identity, culture and pride of our country. Our national flag, Tiranga, stands for courage, peace and prosperity, while the Ashok Chakra reminds us to keep moving forward with truth and justice. Our national symbol, the lion, capital of Ashoka, symbolizes strength, confidence and its motto. India's national symbol are also included the tiger as the national animal, the lotus as the national flower, the peacock as the national bird, the banyan tree as the national tree, the Ganga as the national river, and our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Each of these reflect rich heritage, unity and diversity of our nation. As responsible citizens, we must respect our national symbol and work together to make our country stronger, cleaner and more prosperous. That's all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, good morning to everyone. Today, I am going to speak about our national flag, the Tiranga. The Indian national flag has three colors: saffron, white and green. The saffron represents the courage and sacrifice, white represents the peace and truth, and green represents the growth and prosperity. In the center of the white base, there is Ashoka Chakra, which has 24 spokes, and it represents the progress and righteousness. Our Tiranga is the symbol of our freedom, unity and pride. We should always respect our national flag and feel proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, शिक्षागण और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सबको शुभ प्रभात। मैं मोहम्मद अरसलान आज आप सबके सामने 1857 का पहला स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के बारे में बताऊंगा। 1857 से पहले अंग्रेज हमारे देश पर राज करते थे, इसलिए 10 मई 1857 को मेरठ में मंगल पांडे और उनके साथियों ने विरोध किया। यहीं से आज़ादी की लड़ाई शुरू हुई। मंगल पांडे इस लड़ाई के पहले शहीद व्यक्ति थे। दाना साहब, बहादुर शाह जफर और तात्या टोपे, इन सब ने भी बहुत हिम्मत दिखाई। वो चाहते थे कि भारत आज़ाद हो। हालांकि वो लड़ाई जीत नहीं पाए, लेकिन उन्होंने हमें आज़ादी की राह दिखाई। हम उन वीरों को हमेशा याद रखेंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Today I am proud to speak on India's production and exports to the world. India is one of the fastest growing countries in the world. Our nation produces many important goods that are used by people across the globe. India is famous for exporting the rice, tea, spices, medicines, textile, engineering goods, diamonds and software services. Indian medicines help millions of people and our spices add flavor to food in many countries. These achievements to show the hard work, talent, dedication of our farmers, workers, scientists and entrepreneurs by producing high quality goods and sharing them with the world.
India is making to the nation stronger and helping the global economy. Let us work hard and contribute to making our country even more successful.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य, शिक्षागण और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सभी को सुप्रभात। आज मैं शादाब कक्षा 7 का छात्र आप सबके सामने भारत का दुनिया का सबसे बड़े निर्यात पर भाषण देने जा रहा हूँ। दोस्तों, निर्यात का मतलब होता है अपने देश में बनी चीज़ें दूसरे देशों को बेचना। जब हम अपने देश में बनी चीज़ें दूसरे देशों को बेचते हैं तो हमारे देश को बहुत फ़ायदा होता है और साथ ही साथ हमारे देश का नाम भी बहुत रोशन होता है। भारत में बहुत सी बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें बनती हैं। अगर बात करें सबसे बड़ी चीज़ की तो वो है पैरामेसी दवाइयाँ। कोरोना के समय में भारत ने बहुत सी देशों को दवाइयाँ भेजी थी। इससे हमारे भारत को निर्यात मिलता है, डॉलर मिलता है और लोगों के कारखाने चलते हैं और लोगों को रोजगार मिलता है। अंत में यही कहना चाहूँगा कि हमें अपने देश में बनी चीज़ें इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए, वोकल फॉर लोकल को अपनाना चाहिए। इससे हमारा देश आगे बढ़ेगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत। आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस बहुत मुबारक। जय हिंद।